For many writers, staring at a blank page is both an invitation and a challenge. The journey from a fleeting idea to a finished novel, screenplay, or ebook can feel daunting, even for the most disciplined among us. In an era when artificial intelligence is increasingly stepping in to support creative processes, one tool has begun to stand out for storytellers and long-form creators: Squibler. Today, let's take a deep dive into Squibler, exploring what makes it unique, where it shines, its limitations, and whether it deserves a place in your creative toolkit. Imagine embarking on a writing project, a novel perhaps, or the script for a film. You have the seed of a story, perhaps a few characters, a setting, or a dramatic arc. Yet, as you try to piece it all together, the sheer scale of the task looms large. This is where Squibler aims to make its mark. Unlike many AI writing tools that focus on short-form content, blog posts, social media captions, or ad copy, Squibler is specifically designed to help writers manage and execute lengthy creative projects. Think of it not just as a content generator, but as a co-writer and project manager rolled into one. One of Squibler's most distinctive strengths lies in its focus on storytelling. The platform is built from the ground up with authors of novels, screenplays, and other long-form works in mind. When you launch Squibler, you're greeted with a suite of templates tailored to various genres: romance, thriller, horror, action, fantasy. The foundation of your story is already laid out. These templates offer a structural backbone, providing pre-made outlines and prompts that help you jump right into writing, regardless of your experience level. This approach to templating is more than just a convenience. It's a creative catalyst. For many writers, the hardest part is knowing where to start or how to organize their sprawling ideas. With Squibler, you select your genre, and instantly the platform suggests possible plot beats, character archetypes, and even pacing cues. This doesn't mean the software writes your story for you. Far from it. Instead, Squibler acts like a writing partner, nudging you along, offering structure, and letting you focus on what makes your story unique. A second major advantage of Squibler is its robust project management capabilities. Writing a novel or screenplay isn't just about putting words on a page. It's about organization, consistency, and progress tracking. Squibler allows you to break your project down into chapters, scenes, and even specific word count goals. You can set daily or weekly targets, monitor your progress, and rearrange sections as your story evolves. This granular control helps keep even the most ambitious projects on track, mimicking the features of professional writing software while integrating AI-powered assistance. But Squibler's AI isn't just a glorified spell checker. It's designed to be an active creative collaborator. Stuck on a scene? Unsure how to flesh out a character's background or describe a pivotal setting? With a few clicks, Squibler's AI can suggest the next plot development, expand on character motivations, or paint a detailed picture of your fictional world. It can even inject unexpected twists or complications, helping you overcome creative blocks and discover new narrative possibilities. Still, as with any tool, Squibler isn't without its limitations. One of the first hurdles many users encounter is the cost. While there is a limited free version, its capabilities are quite restricted. To unlock the full suite of features, unlimited projects, advanced AI suggestions, and expanded template options, you'll need to invest in a paid subscription. For hobbyists, or those just dipping their toes into writing, this price tag can feel steep. It's an investment best justified by writers who are serious about long-form projects and plan to make regular use of the platform. Another area for improvement is the quality of the AI-generated prose. While Squibler's suggestions are often helpful, they can sometimes read as formulaic or lacking the nuance of human writing. This isn't unique to Squibler. Many AI writing tools grapple with the same issue, but it does mean that your work will require careful editing and a personal touch. The AI is best viewed as a brainstorming partner, not a replacement for your own creativity and voice. It's also important to note that Squibler isn't intended for every type of content creator. If your focus is on marketing, SEO, or short-form copywriting, you'll likely find more specialized tools elsewhere. Squibler is purpose-built for storytelling and narrative-driven work. Its features and templates cater to those crafting novels, screenplays, or episodic content, rather than product descriptions or blog posts optimized for search engines. If your goal is to rank high on Google or write compelling ad copy, Squibler probably isn't the ideal solution. Additionally, the quality of the output you receive from Squibler's AI is heavily dependent on the quality of your input. The more specific and detailed your prompts, the better the AI can assist. Vague instructions tend to yield generic or uninspired results. As a result, successful use of Squibler requires a collaborative mindset. You bring the vision, details, and direction. The AI helps you fill in gaps and push through creative roadblocks. It's not a magic wand, but a tool that amplifies your own creative process. For writers accustomed to working alone, the idea of sharing creative control, even with an AI, can take some getting used to. But Squibler isn't about replacing the writer. Instead, it aims to be a supportive companion throughout the often lonely writing journey. Whether you need help outlining your story, brainstorming the next twist, or managing your daily word count, Squibler adapts to your workflow, offering guidance and encouragement along the way. So, who stands to benefit most from this platform? If you're an aspiring novelist, a screenwriter tackling your first script, or even a teacher looking to guide students through the writing process, Squibler provides a structured, supportive environment to bring your ideas to life. Its focus on long-form storytelling, combined with project management tools and AI-powered creativity boosters, make it a compelling choice for those serious about completing ambitious writing projects. On the flip side, if you're primarily interested in marketing content, SEO, or fast-paced content production, Squibler may not be the best fit. Its strengths lie in helping you build intricate stories and complex characters, not in churning out optimized web copy or ad material. In conclusion, Squibler isn't a miracle cure for writer's block, nor is it a substitute for the hard work and dedication that writing long-form content demands. But for those willing to invest the time and effort, it can be a valuable ally. Think of it as a knowledgeable friend, one who helps you organize your thoughts, keeps you accountable, and offers a steady stream of ideas when inspiration runs dry. As AI continues to evolve, the tools available to writers will only become more powerful. Squibler represents a promising step forward, blending the discipline of project management with the creative spark of artificial intelligence. It's not perfect, and it's certainly not for everyone, but for the right kind of writer, those embarking on big, bold storytelling adventures, it could be the partner you've been searching for. Thank you for joining this deep dive into Squibler. If you found this review helpful, consider exploring more tools and insights into the world of AI and creative writing. There's never been a better time to bring your stories to life, and with the right support, the blank page doesn't have to be so intimidating after all.